7.2. Aim of the experiment. To prove that the image formed in a plane mirror is as far behind the mirror as the object is in front of it. Theory. A plane mirror consists of a smooth reflective surface formed by applying a thin layer of silver on one side of a glass sheet. The ensuing image formed in a plane mirror exhibits the following characteristics. The size of the image is identical to that of the object. The distance of the image from the mirror corresponds to the distance of the object from the mirror. The image created is constantly virtual and upright. The image generated is horizontally flipped. Materials required. A plane mirror strip complete with a stand, a sheet of white paper, a drawing board, drawing pins, all pins, a pencil, and a scale. Procedure. 1. Secure the white sheet of paper onto the drawing board using drawing pins. 2. Sketch a line down the middle of the sheet and position the plane mirror strip with its stand along this line. 3. Fix an awl pin, labeled O, in front of the mirror. This awl pin will serve as the object. 4. Proceed to fix 2 additional awl pins, P and Q, to the left side of the object O. Ensure that these pins are positioned at least 5 cm apart from each other. Arrange them so that all pins P, Q, and the image of O as observed through the mirror align in a straight line. 5. Similarly, position all pins R and S to the right side of object O, aligning them in a straight line along with the image of O seen through the mirror. 6. Subsequently, remove both the mirror strip and the awl pins from their positions. 7. Encircle the pin pricks with small circles to mark the locations of the awl pins. 8. Use a scale to connect points P and Q, and then extend the line up to line Perform the same for points R and S, extending their line to meet 9. Extend lines PQ and RS beyond the mirror line so that they intersect each other at point I. 10. Designate point I as the image of object O. 11. Connect points I and O, producing a line that intersects line at point N. 12. Measure the lengths ON, object distance, and NI, image distance, using a scale. 13. Repeat these steps to measure 2 additional positions of object awl pin O. 14. Document your findings in Observation Table 7.2. Observations. Observation Table 7.2. Measuring distance of object and its image from mirror. Result. In all cases, the measurements of ON, object distance, and NI, image distance, yielded equal values. This establishes the fact that the image produced in a plane mirror is positioned behind the mirror at the same distance as the object is placed in front of it. Precautions. 1. Ensure that the awl pins affixed to the paper are upright and aligned correctly. 2. Maintain a minimum separation of 5 cm between the 2 awl pins. 3. Use a sharp pencil for drawing accurate lines. 4. Indicate the direction of light rays using arrow symbols.